In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Payoneer. Whether you're just starting out with invoicing or looking for a seamless way to bill your clients, Payoneer offers a user-friendly platform to manage your invoicing needs. Let's dive in and go through the step-by-step process together. First, you'll need to navigate to Payoneer's home page. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL of Payoneer's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not yet logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and gain access to Payoneer's dashboard. This is your central hub for all payment-related activities. Next, find the tab labeled Get Paid on the home page. It's typically located in the navigation menu, providing quick access to all payment-related features. Click on it to move to the next section where you'll find various options to manage your payment requests. Once there, look for the Send and Manage Invoices option. Clicking this will bring up a more detailed section specifically for handling your invoices. This is where you can not only create new invoices, but also manage existing ones and track their status. In this section, you will see an option labeled Send an Invoice. Click on it to begin crafting your invoice. Payoneer makes it quite intuitive by guiding you through an easy setup process, ensuring you don't miss any vital details. You will now need to enter an invoice ID. This ID is essential for keeping your invoices organized and easily identifiable. Think of it like the unique tag each invoice carries, allowing both you and your clients to refer back to it with ease. So, type in an ID of your choice. Following this, you'll see an option to drag file here or browse. This is where you can add any necessary documents or attachments relevant to the invoice. These might include contract details, product specifications, or any additional information about your services. Either drag the file into this area or click Browse to search your device and select the file you want to attach. Then you'll notice that you are required to complete 5 steps: settings, details, payment method, invoiced items, and preview. Each of these steps is critical in ensuring that your invoice is comprehensive and professional. First, customize your invoice settings. This typically involves selecting currency and setting due dates according to your preference. Next, fill in the details about the client you're invoicing, their name, company, and contact information. Then specify the payment method by choosing how you prefer to receive the funds. Afterward, list the invoiced items, providing clear descriptions and prices to avoid any confusion. Finally, review the entire invoice in the preview section before sending it. This last look allows you to catch any errors or make final adjustments. And there you have it, a complete and thorough guide to sending an invoice on Payoneer. Remember, taking the time to accurately fill out each section is key to a seamless transaction and maintaining professional relationships with your clients. Thank you for joining and happy invoicing.